What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna vlog everything that I do. It's more like a day in the life of my daily routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications for future videos so you can watch them. So first thing I do when I wake up is obviously brush my teeth. Then I come over here and I drink water, guys. You know, water, you gotta get those organs working. So drink a little bit of water, 8 ounces. And then from there, I start my coffee from Nespresso. Wow. I bought this machine in Best Buy. Really good, so fast. It makes the coffee so fast and it tastes really good. So I buy the pods separately. So the one that I've been using is called Furtado. For the ones that have this machine or want to buy it, try this pod. It's really good. So just put it to make. And guys, don't increase your sugar intake by using regular sugar. Use Splenda or any 0 calorie. So I use Splendas, about 4 of these. And then for my creamer, I use Coffee Mate. This one has about 10 calories per 1 tablespoon or teaspoon, sorry, 2 grams. So it's long calories. And that's my coffee for the day. And then I'm gonna be showing you my pre-workout meal because today is Saturday. I go train legs, so I'll show you what I'm gonna be eating, and then from there I'm gonna show you the whole workout and guide you guys through it so you can do it as well whenever you have some time. What's up, Pluto? You want food? All right, let's give him his food now. Sit. Good boy. Go. Go. You're so cute. So cute, puppy. Alright guys, it's time to take out Pluto. Pluto, you ready to go potty? And check out my Deadpool. So, gotta strap up. It's 30 degrees outside. I'm from Miami, man. It's cold out there. Anyways, I doubled up, and the building requires to wear the face mask, so no COVID on my head. And let's go. Good, sit. Good boy. Alright, buddy. Cut it. Got my girl doing some Nutella French toast. I'm showing you guys this in my Instagram, the recipe. I'll link it in my description for you guys to try it. And then gonna have some egg whites with this, and then off to the gym. Let's get it. Alright guys, it's time to carb up. Here I got my Nutella French toast with my egg whites. And for my syrup, I use Carrie's sugar-free, low-calorie syrup. 5 calories per serving per 2 tablespoons, only 3 grams of carbs, and only 2 grams of sugar. So, and 0 grams of fat. So this one's really diet friendly. So get this one for sure. Let's eat up.
It's my sister. My sister also retained.
Full recipe in the description. Go take a look. It's on my Instagram. So now that I had my breakfast, which is my pre-workout meal, I always have a kiwi, guys. I always show you this. It's a slow carb and it's slowly digested and absorbed in your body, which means your blood sugar and insulin don't spike after eating. So this is important because if you eat something that's more fast carb, it can lead to excess belly fat, high blood pressure, and problems with cholesterol and hormonal imbalances. So kiwi it is. All right, let's get it, guys. About to hit legs, and you already know your boy has to bring out the short shorts. And so let me show you my workout stack. So first of all, I drank my creatine and my pre-workout together. So half a scoop of pre-workout and half a scoop of creatine pre-rebuild. And then I mix with 12 ounces of water right here my BCAAs, EEAs. I've explained this before on my Instagram. Supplements do help you, but they don't do the work for you. This is just to keep me hydrated. This is to give me a pump and energy and focus, and this is to give me more strength. So let's mix the BCAAs together. Right there, that's done. Now I'm gonna drink my pre-workout and my creatine. That's it. Let that sink in my stomach. I'm gonna get a sick pump. I'm sure you guys what I'm doing today for legs. And if you ever want to try supplements, try it from my One Up Nutrition sponsor. The link is in the description. You can use my discount code JC20. Sorry, the pre-workout strong, so I'm talking a little fast. But anyways, guys, yeah, use my discount code JC20 at oneupnutrition.com. The link is on the description. Yeah, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, just got to the gym. Make sure you warm up and stretch before starting your workout. The first exercise we're doing is barbell squats. This is a staple in my leg routine. What we want to do is 4 sets, increasing weight every set. So the reps are going to be 12, 15, 12, 10, going as heavy as possible by the end of the 4th set. And then what you want to do is go all the way down to 90 degrees, making sure you're staying on your heels, pushing through your heels. Drive up, use your legs on the way up. Don't use your back, keep your back straight. And let's go on to the next exercise. Next exercise we're doing, guys, is Bulgarian split squats. We're going to superset this one with the next exercise that I'm going to show you. For this one, we're going to do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you want to increase the weight each set, you can do so, but I stick with around 35 pounds. So you're going to do 10 to 12 reps each leg, driving up through your heels, going 90 degrees on the way down. So we're going to superset Bulgarian split squats with hack squats. If you don't have a hack squat machine, make sure you can use a leg press as well. Put your feet together, toes pointing outward, slightly outward. This is going to target the outer quads. And same thing, you want to go 90 degrees on the way down, taking your time on the way down so you could get the full stretch and contraction on your quads, so you could break more muscle fibers and build muscle on those quads. So from here, we're going to go on to the next exercise. Next, we're going to jump into the leg extension, guys. We're going to do 10 reps feet wide and then 10 reps feet close together. You want to use moderate to light weight, 4 sets of 20 reps, and make sure you're squeezing at the top of the movement. Then from here, we're going to go on to the next exercise, which we're going to focus on hamstrings now. All right, so we're going to jump into the stiff leg deadlifts. We're going to be doing 4 sets of 20, 15, 12, 10 reps, increasing weight every set, keeping a slight bend on your knees, keeping your back straight, hinging at the hips so you could get the contraction on your glutes and hamstrings, and make sure you're squeezing at the top when you're bringing the bar back up. From here, we're going to superset with another exercise. I'll show you now. So the next exercise, we're supersetting stiff leg deadlifts. It's going to be seated calf raises. We're going to do 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps, bringing your heels all the way down and squeezing at the top for 1 to 2 seconds, and then bringing your heels back down. Make sure you're squeezing at the top, guys, to get the full contraction and break those muscle fibers on your calves. Last and final exercise for leg day, guys. We're going to do single leg dumbbell deadlifts. We're going to do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps each leg, keeping a slight bend on your knees, hinging at the hips. This is going to work out your hammies and glutes. It's a great isolation exercise to build muscle imbalances and work on your muscle stabilizers on each leg. So from here, I'm going to show you what I eat as my post-workout meal. All right, guys, so just got back from the gym. I showed you guys the full leg workout and I did like a voiceover. So now we're having our post-workout meal. So it's 6 ounces of chicken breast, 1 cup of basmati white rice, and 50 grams of asparagus. And then I put some sriracha hot sauce on it. And that's my post-workout meal. So it's about, let me show you the macros and calories. So it's 367 calories and the macros are 41 carbs, 4 grams of fat, and 38 grams of protein. Let's get it. I just finished eating my meal, guys, and I just want to explain to you guys that water is so important. Try to drink at least a gallon of water a day, and I recommend you guys do the same. It's gonna help you with overall health, guys, you know, and get rid of water retention. It speeds up fat loss, speeds up your metabolism. It's good for your skin, nails, hair. So water is important, guys. So there's so much benefits to drinking more water. Just, you think you're drinking enough, but you're not. Just try to get a gallon a day. That should do it. And now I'm gonna shower, get dressed, and you know, sit down and check in with the clients that checked in yesterday on Friday. As you know, guys, I'm an online coach. If you're ever interested in online coaching, just click the link in the description, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys reach your fitness goals. You know, later on, we're probably gonna go out for dinner. I try not to work too much on the weekends, spend more time with my girlfriend and my dogs. So I'm probably just gonna shower, get back to my clients, send out some new client programs for my New Year's sale, and then we're probably gonna go out for dinner, and that'll be the third meal of the day. And I'll probably have a protein shake, so I'll show you that now. My little setup right here. It's my desk, work desk. You already know. Got my online clients right there, checking in, get back to them using my mobile app chat messenger. And after this, I'm gonna have a protein shake, and then later on we're gonna go out to dinner for our last meal of the day. So it's time for my protein shake. I use unsweetened almond milk, 30 calories for 8 ounces. And then I use the 1UP Isolate Whey Protein coffee flavor. 35 grams of protein per scoop. You could use my discount code JC20 if you're interested in trying out their products. And you know, I replaced the last 2 meals of my day for my cheat meal that I'm gonna have now when I go out to dinner. I'll show you guys that. All right, guys, you can see I'm all dressed up. Got to clean up nice. So I'm heading out now for dinner with my girlfriend. We're gonna go to Barrymore. It's a little restaurant close to the city in Boston, and let's check it out. Let's see how the food is there. I'll show you guys what I eat. So yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, so we are here in Barrymore. We got some barbecue chicken wings, some shrimp tacos, 2 drinks. I forgot their names. But yeah, boom. All right, guys, we are back from dinner, from date night, and we enjoyed it. You know, we got some drinks, we got some good food. Definitely recommend this spot if you live in MA, Massachusetts. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know my life is not that interesting just yet, but it will get interesting as the time goes, you know. But definitely looking forward to you guys showing you guys more of my life and what I do on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on my post notifications for future videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.